Hi, hello everybody. Today it so happens that we're gonna see a beautiful property on Las Palmas in Medellin. Not the best day for filming though. It's a little bit rainy. It's actually been raining for the last few days. Come and see this property. Let me know what you think. I'll see you guys inside. Check this out. That's the neighbor house. And this is the entrance. Beautiful. Look at this door. Now let's go inside. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful though? I think it's a beautiful property though. One living room. We have a second living room back there. We're gonna go see it right now. I'm gonna try to not make any noise when I walk because I think I have the high heels today. So we have one living room right here, beautiful. There's an exit, two common areas, more common areas back there. And check this out. It's a beautiful property. We have a dining room back there. And look at this inside garden. It's just, everything is well put. Beautiful light, even on this really cloudy day. As you can see, the clouds in the background, it's a very cloudy day. Look, the house is well lit. Look at this. Swimming pool back there, TV room. Gorgeous. We have two entrances to the kitchen. Look at this. It's just one of those kitchens that invites you to cook. Now check this out. You can go all around the second floor right here. There's a bedroom right here, studio. Another one back there. We're gonna go into them, all of them in a second. And look at this. It's a beautiful, beautiful property. I don't even think this is the master bedroom, but check this out. It's so beautiful, so well put together. And look at the stairs. So that's actually the entrance to the property. So it's a long driveway. I think it's about 70 meters. It goes all the way to the back. Now, I think we're gonna go into the master. I think this might be the master. It's got a master face. So yeah, this is the master bedroom. Beautiful put together. So ample, also with the big terrace. It's really nice. Now we're gonna go all the way to the back, right here to see this other two bedrooms. They all have, oh, this is like a little studio that they have right here. Also with the big balcony. Also with a walk-in closet. Look at this one. And this other bedroom right here. Also with the walk-in closet and washroom. Beautiful. Also with the big balcony. And look at this view. Full gym. Estamos, real estate Medellin.info.